This is a video showing you how to disable the pool alarm system temporarily. So in the master bedroom, you come into the master bedroom closet, and as you come in and turn immediately to the left, you'll see hanging on the wall the controller. And it controls the pool alarm system here. The red light is on, the black switch, and that means the pool alarm system's on. So to disable it, you come in and hit the off button, which is the top button, and now the light is off. You'll hear a few chirps and the system's disabled. To re-enable the system, you do the same thing, except you hit the on button, which is the bottom button as the controller hangs.